Now isn't this nice? Just chilling out by the pool. I kinda wanna start some drama though. So if that's the case, we're going to have to summon the plants and zombies to this pool and they fight. Perfect. We've summoned all the zombies here and all of the plants. Looks like it's starting to rain. That'll make things a lot more interesting.
Alright, zombies. So tonight it's gonna start to rain, and we got a lot of plants that are, just kind of chilling out. We actually kind of feel the rain droplets on us right now, so we should probably destroy the plants before it gets too bad. Anyway, alright, let's go.
I'll go. Yaw, yaw, yaw. Zzz, 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 zzz. Hang tight, Moomy. Zuh, zuh, zuh.
Hey, there's no way that you killed my brother, dude. So I'm just gonna...
Hey, come here. Yeah, take that, dude. Bro, my broski. Yeah. Alright. Oh, yaw, 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 yay. Hang tight, Moomy. Freeze!
Puncto is about to mess you up.
Hey, no, I can't swim. I can only surf. No, I can still fight. Oh, all that water though, it's really messing me up, dude. Anyway, let's see what this is like. Yeah, now that the Snapdragon's gone, I'm gonna eat all of you now.
Not before I eat you first.
No, dude, no, stop it, no.
I'm eating me alive.
Oh.
Taste like death.
I must avenge my fallen comrades, and as such, adventure ho! Help me, I've fallen in the water, I can't swim. Here, you try that again. Adventure ho! I'm here. Oh no, my bag! I gotta get it back! Now, isn't that ridiculous? And as such, now that I have my satchel back, it's time to advance. Walking. Oh, that is disgusting! Oh, help me, I can't swim! No!
Alright, we're actually doing pretty good, but I feel like we could use those jets to our advantage. Just gotta figure out how. Anyway, let's see, what about you? You go.
No one can withstand the power of Mogalo! No, I can still make it. Yes, hurry, lie. Fly away, fly away. My wings are wet though. I can't muster up the energy any longer.
Now Muggalo's coming for you! Right in the hooter, man!
I can swim, let me get in there. It's cold. No, I don't like it's cold.
Duckweed,
Yeah,
get in there.
oh, okay.
Oh, it's so good! Oh, it's so good! Este pendejo! Oh.
It's so cold though.
Duckweed,
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna swim toward him. Swim, 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 swimming. I'm totally swimming and not just hovering over the water. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Ooh, pretty little mushroom. I want to eat it. Alright. Oh no. Oh crap. It fell in the water. Hold on, let me help it out. Oh, no, my mushroom is gone. Well, I guess there's only one thing left to do, and that's to keep attacking. Wait, hold on. Doesn't water conduct electricity? And aren't I, like, really wet? Wow.
Alright guys, keep up the good work. Well, there's still a bunch of plants on that side, so we gotta start attacking that side. You know what? Screw it. Huge wave of zombies.
Huge wave of zombies is approaching.
Alright guys, it's time for the wave. Walking. I'm coming to, eventually. I mean, I'm like one of the only sane people here, or zombies here. So, I don't think I'm gonna sit this one out. Newspaper! Yeah? Go over there.
Move out of my way! Come here!
Oh, you want to tussle with Bum Choi? Well, I'll show you. Oh, well, that was a tough one, but I'm still alive, and I'm thankful for that.
Oh, I have an idea. Me and the pirate will ambush.
That's me hearties. That is a very good idea. Alright, let's get in here. Alright. I just gotta sneak up.
I feel like you're kind of mooching off me just because I have a duck tube.
Is that so? Right. Past the bonk choy. Up. And we should be good to go.
Well, at least we can swim. So let's keep going.
Alright. Let's keep going past that other bok choy. Up here. And then... this is gonna suck.
Alas. No, dude, we can still go on. Oh. Nope, no we can't. Alright, it's time for us to go. Yeah, me too.
You idiots! We also have to go. Alright. Yes, he can't take on all of us. Oh, we're gonna hurt you bad.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will. No, the last fight broke my arm.
Yes, we killed the bok choy, and now we should be able to, why is that potato mine over there flopped over? And also, why is that electric blueberry staring at the sky?
We gotta go fast before that blueberry kills us both. Wait, there's one on the other side too? Oh, this is going to suck really, 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 really bad. Quick, all right, push that potato mine over. Yes, and then, I can kill you. Oh no, I can't kill him. I can't kill. Oh, that was a very close one. But thank you for helping out, or else I would have died too. I forgot they're very silent and they don't like to speak on things too much. Okay, it's time for us to go. Oh, well, I can finish you off. Ha! Haha, blocked with the flag. You're gonna die, like, really soon. No, bok choy, you can't swim. No, okay, hold on. Bok choy's learning how to swim. Now that the bok choy can swim, you can do it too. I can do a lot of things even though you can swim now. But anyway.
Alright, we're killing off a bunch of them. So, as such, I feel like we all need to go so that electric blueberry can't kill us anymore.
I think you'll be right on that. Hello, everyone. I am the jester. Oh, wait, I forgot. I could just spin my shots right back at you. Spin, 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 spin. Wait, what did I just hear? Ow. Come on, we all go now. Come here. Oh, yes, we killed the blueberry. And now, spin, 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 right in your face. What now? And now, the brains are my.
Have a nice shot. It's too fast for you to deflect.
Alright, guys, there's too many zombies on that side. We're gonna need some of you guys to go over there. We volunteers tribute. Alright. Chill out here. And chill out here.
You may not be able to zap both of us.
I can.
Well, be my shield. Ugh. It still hurts. Was that a laser? No. No! The boss told us about this one. He's crazy, I tell you. And he sings. He sings!
You all sound very stupid right now.
So I thought.
Pea shooter, plant food, now! On it.
Scar, one for the Buccaneers. Wait, run. We're gonna scout out in this bush and snipe him. I mean, look, you really thought the plants were the only ones that could snipe? Gotta find a good spot. Here, I'll just... Oh, yes, this is perfect.
Huh, thanks for saving me. Wait, hold on. What was that? Wait, I see him in the trees. Ow.
Personally, the sun is not out, so we should not be out either. Bye-bye.
You guys are all stupid. Wait, why don't we just call them the Zen Senseis?
Because they're all taking a nap for next fight. And, by one of the trailers that we have, I believe it's going to be a hard one. So, my plan, just keep an eye on them, make sure they get good rest. And, we'll save some zombies for, next round. But, plants, you may have won this time. You won't win again.